Do you know that foodstuffs can be accessed directly from farmers? In other words, if you are a farmer, you can sell your product directly to consumers at the comfort of your farm with the help of Gonana app. So dear, what are you waiting for? Watch the following step on how to register and operate Gonana app now in order to experience this blessing called Gonana. The first step is to download Gonana from any app store. Second step is to fill your details, which include first name, surname, phone number, email, nationality, then click proceed. The next step is to wait for the verification code that will be sent to your email, then fill the details. The next step is to input the password that will secure your app. The next step is to buy the products you want and it will be delivered to you, or if you want to sell your product, first go to Setting, then go to Profile. Go to Add Product. Add the image of your product. Input the name of your product. As you can see now, I want to sell tomatoes. If you click Ship Product Myself, it means you don't want our courier services. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the Create Product section that will enable you to input the price you want to sell your product and the quantity that is available. You will also add the weight of the products and the address where your product will be picked up to supply to your customer. Click Proceed, click Confirm Details. So the product is being created. So dear, join the numerous people that are testifying by downloading the app now at your respective app store. For more information, visit www.gonana.farm.